Welcome back. You saw us hunt the Nutria in Plaquemines Parish. We're now at Fred's on the River with Chef Philippe Parola, who you saw in a previous episode where we went out and harvested Asian carp. Tell us about your whole mentality when it comes to nuisance animals.
Well, I've been working on that for quite some time, actually quite a few years, starting with the wild boar, the snow goose, and then back in the early 90s, we worked with the beast of the swamp beast. And actually Don Dubuque was a part of this particular promotion with the wildlife and fishery, trying to put a value on the nutria. During the 90s, the fur value went down, and to get the trapper to go out there and trap more nutria, we put a value on the meat, so we launched a promotion of how to cook nutria.
And when you have it cleaned, it honestly looks like it could be a rabbit.
Yeah, this is a hind saddle, by the way. This is the best part of the nutria. This is really where all the muscle and the main protein are located. So we're going to cook the hind saddle today.
Let's get started.
Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to be the chef today.
Okay.
I'm just going to
Sounds
supervise.
good.
So you're going to put a little oil over it, all over, and you see how easy that is. And what we're going to do, folks, is to get something easy for you guys to duplicate in your camp or at home. If you shoot a nutria, don't hesitate.
Don't throw it away.
It's just like rabbit or squirrel.
Right, want to flip it for me?
Okay, yes, we're going to flip it.
A lot more yield
right.
than a squirrel or a rabbit,
And you
too.
see,
They're pretty beefy, and you can see just by the size of this nutria and the ones you saw us harvest, there really weren't any small ones. They have a lot to eat on, and they cause a lot of problems, so they get really fat.
how much do you think this one weighs?
I would say this one weighed at least 10 or 12 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they get pretty big.
That's a nice animal.
All right.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to baste it with the little raspberry vinaigrette to give it a little extra flavor. So
just a little salad dressing.
Yeah, kind of like, you know, you can do it in the store and buy whatever you want. Just put a bunch of them all over. There you go. And then we're going to continue bathe it when we grill it with that. So we're going to put some seasoning after that. Perfect. You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
You should open, you and Don need to open the Bayou Wild restaurant. Absolutely.
So we've got a Cajun seasoning here.
Yeah, or your choice. You know, you can, you know, put anything that you like, salt, pepper only if you want to. But we like Cajun seasoning because we're in the Cajun land, right?
That's right. All right. So literally just 3 ingredients here to get it cooked.
That's it. So you see, folks, what you look like, right? I think anybody could do that.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over here, and then we're going to slide it.
We got the grill heated up to about 350.
Right here.
So we just mentioned a very important part about the nutria on the grill. We're not cooking it to completion. We're really just scoring it.
Correct, correct. That keeps the moisture inside the meat really good. So when you cook it slowly, the meat stay very moist and tender. So what we're going to do here, we have the black pot. We're going to put the mirepoix.
Mirepoix.
All right, which is a combination of onion, celery, and carrot, and garlic.
And garlic. Gotta have garlic.
Yes, there you go. You got to. So you kind of sweat this.
That's a new term for me.
Yeah, sweat.
Sweat the
vegetables.
vegetables.
It out. You see the steam coming out? There you go. And you can smell actually how nice it's come. Yeah, you can definitely. So that get the flavor of all those vegetables. And then what we're going to do here now is we're going to get the beast.
The beast.
Out. And you can see now that it's got seized up. You got the little mark on the... Beautiful, don't it? And then we're going to put it right here into the pot. Right here. You see that?
Perfectly.
Then we're going to put a combination of beef broth. Yeah, squeeze that one. And vegetable broth. There you go. So you see now? We're going to make a little stew. And then what we're going to do, we're going to utilize a bit of a raspberry that we have left over. Okay? A touch of Cajun, again, seasoning.
This is actually starting to look pretty good. I was a little on the fence about this, but it's actually coming together pretty well.
See that? Look at this. All right, so now, go ahead, cover it up, and we're going to slow cook it probably for a good 45 minutes or so, okay?
All right, let's let her go. Maybe turn it up a little bit.
Yes, there we go.
And when we come back, we will shred it up and
that's right.
Plate it up and see if it's good.
And eat it up.
Discover the taste of Louisiana that's seasoned just right. Boiled to perfection. Enriched with tradition. A taste that's savory, crispy, little sweet. Discover the taste of Louisiana fish fry products.
Hi, I'm Donnie Rouse. There are a lot of different reasons to shop at Rouses.
It's the people. Everybody that works here is just so nice.
Our stores get deliveries 7 days a week.
They have such a wide variety at Rouses. Everything's in stock. I mean, everything.
We use Rouse family recipes and ingredients found right here in the store.
It's the food. Rouse's food tastes like homemade.
And they're local.
Like us.
We also have great prices.
That's the difference Rouse's makes.
Welcome back. We're here with Chef Parola. We're at Fred's on the River, and we're going to check out this Nutria that we've been cooking for about an hour and a half.
Oh, yeah. This is you got me here, an old one, not a
Yes.
young one. So the older they get, the longer it's going to take. But I'm going to tell you, wait and see.
So we've been simmering it.
Yes. So now you see how beautiful it looks like, right? And what we're going to do now is we're going to get the hind saddle.
Put it on the table.
Yeah, we're going to put it right there then into the, I think we can take the whole thing pretty much, there you go, pretty much like this.
And you
see?
know it's done when the meat starts falling
Oh,
off.
yeah. You can look at
yeah.
it, you know, look at
That's
this.
done.
You know, this is easy.
It's like a pot roast.
Yeah, it's an easy process. So what you do now is, look at how beautiful that is.
It does look
Tender.
good.
I mean, really, and the smell of it is so wonderful. So you see, I mean, this is just, oh, this is belly meat. It's also very nice. And I'm going to use my finger and cut it out. Oh, God, this is hot, too. Look at the legs. Look at the muscle right there. Look at how beautiful that is, too.
Get some of that good meaty
Yeah,
part
yeah.
there.
Oh, they got good. I mean, that's what you have to do is wait. You see the bones come out very nice? That's what you want.
And you
so.
could even take it out and fork shred it
Oh
up
yeah,
like you would
if it was not so hot, you know, I could cut them up and chop it up, and so many things you can do. And if you want a gumbo idea,
Yeah, it'd be great for gumbo.
Here it is. You know, you can put it up and put some. Look at this broth right here. You put a little dark roux on that, and actually it could be a gumbo itself right here. See that? How nice it is? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of that juice.
Just a little bit. We don't want to make our tacos soggy now.
Yeah. So there you go. So you can go there. How many we have at that
Just that
table?
one there.
There's a couple of them.
I think we got enough tacos.
Do we have enough? 5? Look at this, how beautiful that is. You know, the Nutria, how nutritious that is too. So.
All right, we've got our tacos made up here. We're going to go give them the taste test and let
There you
people
go.
who have never had Nutria see how good it is.
Oh no, I got one more little sauce to make on this one. Let's do this right.
All
There
right.
you go.
So who here at this table has tried Nutria? Raise your hand. Okay, so y'all are first timers. All right.
Get that one there. They never had it. She don't want to try
She
it.
don't even eat meat.
Oh, she said she don't want to eat it. Oh, I don't eat meat. Well, you have to ask yourself, when is the last time you have natural protein on your table? Natural protein on your table. You never had that anymore. You can't find that. Only in the bayou. Nutria is natural protein. Think about it. So you see?
All right,
what
we
you
got
can do
5
with it?
converted that like the Nutria.
There you go.
I think we have a winner. Thanks, Chef.
Good. Thank you.